I'm very proud to announce you now 4 people who will give you an introduction into the themes and the commitment that is very clear to this project. I will start, of course, by giving the floor to Elma Durmisevic. She's the chair of Green Design. She works for 4D Architects in Amsterdam. She's an amazing powerhouse. She's the one who brought all this together. Elma, here's the microphone.
Thank you very much, Chris. Thank you very much for this great introduction. Actually, you said a lot about a program that we have put together, and that will help me to be shorter and to continue with the program at a short notice. So I'm really proud to be able to stand here in front of you on behalf of the organizing committee of a Green Design Festival. It became a huge committee with a number of devoted colleagues and friends from Sarajevo, from the Faculty of Architecture, from the Academy of Art from Sarajevo, from the Artists Association of Applied Artists, and a number of associations, as Association of Architects of Sarajevo. Our company and the people gathering around is getting bigger and bigger, and this year we got also very good and great support by Students Association from the Faculty of Architecture, and also students from the Art Academy helping a great deal as well. So our first test about the involvement of people here in Sarajevo into this theme of green design took place last year when the Sarajevo Design Week was actually initiated by one club from enthusiastic Bosnian scientists in the Netherlands. Within that Sarajevo Design Week, we introduced first time green design issues, and we gave it a theme on Green Design 2009. During last year's sessions, we realized that there is a great potential and interest here in Sarajevo, in Bosnia and Herzegovina, but also in a region to develop this theme further, to discuss the issues about the possible development of new concepts and implementation of new green technologies here in Bosnia and Herzegovina, but also in the region. Because of this great support, we figured out that actually it would be very good to position Sarajevo and try to work towards that aim as a leader in the region on the debate and development and implementation of new green design principles and philosophies. So that became kind of aim. And we have a long way to go, but seeing you all here tells us that we get great support for this idea. And I hope that we will have very inspiring discussions and debates during our program in coming 5 days. So welcome, thank you for being here, and I'm sure we'll have still lots of talk in coming 5 days. Thank you.